Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be creating this soft glam makeup look which literally takes 10 to 12 minutes. So yeah, let's get started. So let's start by prepping our skin. I am using this ceramide moisturizer by the Face Shop. It sits really well under makeup. Next, I'm going in with some sunscreen, makeup or no makeup. SPF is really important. Here I'm using the Lakme 925 sunscreen. So yeah, we are good to go with the base makeup. I'm starting with the primer. For a good base, a primer is really important. Here I'm using the Insight Cosmetics का pore minimizing primer. As you can see, इसने बहुत अच्छे से मेरे pores को conceal कर दिया है and it really blurs out the skin. Next, let's start by concealing all the dark spots, pigmentation, dark circles that I have, and as you can see right now I have a lot of mark on my cheeks. So yeah, let's start by color correcting them. I am using a orange color corrector. With the help of my fingers, I'm just putting wherever I have some dark spots, pigmentations, and also under my eyes. Now I'm going to take some brush and blend everything out. All these brushes are from Bronson Professional and they're really good. Matlab, I didn't expect it now from them because they were really cheap and I just bought it from Zepto, but they turned out to be really good. After I'm done color correcting, I'm going in with a concealer which is one shade lighter than my skin tone and just concealing the under eye and the dark spots and the pigmentation. By the way, the product that I'm using for this is Insight Cosmetics. It's their, I think, 5-in-1 concealer palette. I don't know the name, exact name, but I will be mentioning it in the description box, so please check it out. Now again, I'm just blending all the concealer in. I was trying to do it with the brush in the beginning, but the concealer is really stubborn. बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो रहा था brush से, so I started using my fingers. Apparently fingers से भी इतना अच्छे से नहीं हो रहा था, and then I just realized that the product is only not that great. It is very patchy and it just clings onto your skin. बिल्कुल भी blend नहीं हो रहा था. I then just took a fluffy brush which is a foundation brush and tried to blend it with it. इससे थोड़ा movement हो रहा था because I think the brush is really good. It's damn good. Next, going in with the foundation, I'm using Maybelline ka Fit Me foundation. At this price point, I think this is the best foundation that you can find in the market currently, with so many shade options available from lightest to the darkest skin tone. Just evenly spreading it out and also putting it under my eyes because I'm not really happy with how the concealer performed. This is not an exact match to my skin, as you can see. I think it's a tad bit darker. I could have worked around with one shade lighter than this, but yeah, for today we are going to be working with this. Blending it out again with using the foundation brush. Using some more to just hide some of the spots that I still feel are showing through. Also, this foundation is really light and buildable. So the first layer जो हमने किया था वो इतना ज़्यादा thick नहीं किया था. The spots are still showing up because this is a soft glam look. So I don't want to go in really heavy with the base. Putting it on my neck as well so that there is no color differentiation. Blending everything out. Next, going in and just filling my brows. Like if I don't do my brows, it makes me feel naked. So yeah. I'm using Swiss Beauty ka 4-in-1 eyebrow palette, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. It comes in with this tiny little brush. It is really helpful and helps fill in the brows really nicely. I'm taking that black plus brown, दोनों को mix करके I fill in my eyebrows. I'm happy now. Let's go in with the eyeshadow. I'm excited. For the eyes, I'm going to be using this Mars ka eyeshadow palette. It has all the browns and the nude shades. I'm taking a shade which is very close to my skin color and just warming up my eyelids. Now I'm taking a thoda precise brush and taking a light brown shade and warming up my crease. Wow, I'm really happy with the color payoff. It's a good palette all in all. There's no fallout whatsoever. Plus, the pigmentation and the blending is quite smooth. Well, it is very beginner friendly. If you don't know how to do crazy eye makeup, you can use this palette. It's quite basic and it's blendable, and the shades are also really beginner friendly. Once I'm happy with how my crease is looking, I am taking a dark brown shade and putting it in my outer corners and blending it out so that it merges really well with the light warm brown that we already put on our eyes. Blend, blend, blend. Using my fingers to get that extra pigment. As you can see, I'm spending a good amount of time in blending everything in. This is the key to a flawless makeup. Now I'm going in with the glam part of our makeup look. So here I'm swatching this eyeshadow by Hilary Rhoda, and as you can see, I'm really impressed. Both the shades are really good, and I'm taking this lighter shimmery shade and putting it all over my eyelids. This retails just for, I think, 180 200 rupees, and I must say not bad at all at this price point. Like, look at it, the shine is so good. Plus ऐसा नहीं है कि एक जगह लगाया और वो वहीं चिपक जा रहा है. It's blendable also. The application is also really good. This is a buildable product, so I am just going to put 2-3 layers of this until I am happy with how the end result is looking like, because I don't want to make it look like kahin kahin pe glitter hai. I want to fully cover my eyelid with this beautiful gorgeous shade, and then I will just take the warm brown shade that we use to warm up the crease. I'll just use it to blend everything in. Now I'm just going to take the same shade and put it on my lower lash line so that everything looks cohesive. Okay, so I think now I'm happy with how my eyes are looking. Let's go in with the liner. I'm using this Maybelline ka Colossal eyeliner. It's, I think, a very old launch, but I am trying this for the first time and it's really good. The tip of the brush is really thin, so it helps with precise application, and it is jet black, so I love that about it. And it dries also really quickly so that it does not transfer anywhere else. I'm going to be doing a wing eyeliner, and it's not going to be very thick. I'm going to keep it very thin in the inner part of my eyes, and as you can see, I've made a mistake. Thoda sa overboard ho gaya, but it's fine. We are going to correct it in the end. Doing the same on the other eye. Now I'm going in with a makeup fixer spray to blend everything in. आई नो ये एंड में करा जाता है बट आई डू इट वंस इन बिटवीन ऑल्सो सो दैट मेरा फाउंडेशन कंसीलर सब कुछ ब्लेंड इन अच्छे से हो जाए एंड उसके ऊपर आई गो इन एंड अप्लाई द ब्लश एंड द हाईलाइट वाला पार्ट. नाउ आई एम जस्ट अप्लाइंग सम मस्कारा. It's really good, provides good length and volume and does not crisp the lashes. Doing our lips, I'm using a nude brown shade. It's by Nykaa Cosmetics. It's okay, we are almost done. I'm just taking a Maybelline ka gel kajal and just putting it in the waterline and making sure that there are no gaps in the eyeliner that we have done. Basically, I'm just correcting all the mistakes or all the gaps that we have in our eyes. I'm using this lipstick by Maybelline as a blush, which I later realized that it's a mistake because it was not at all blendable. एकदम ही जल्दी ये सूख जा रहा था cheeks पे, but somehow we made it work. Now I'm just going to take a dark brown lip liner and just going to line my lips. ये step भी पहले करा जाता है but I was like it's not required, but after application I was like थोड़ा definition चाहिए है, तो I just went ahead and did this. So I just went ahead and put again a lot of that glittery eyeshadow. I think at this point I'm in love with that eyeshadow. थोड़ा सा it gets into your fine lines, but it's fine. We can work around it. At this price point, you can't really complain. So yeah, now I think I'm happy. एकदम चमक रहा है. Now I don't know मुझे क्या हुआ कि मैंने ये डिसाइड किया कि हम हमारी eyeliner को inner corners में भी extend करेंगे. So yeah, I'm just doing that and थोड़ा सा मैंने एक eye में खराब कर दिया, but it's fine. I think overall it's looking good only. थोड़ा सा thick हो गया है एक eye में, but it's fine. I'll just correct it. Yeah, not happy with it. Okay, voila, we are done. Just I think blush say I was still not happy. I'm just going to take a water tint and apply it on my cheeks again because blush blindness is really important. Wow, this looks so natural and it's like I have red cheeks from the within. Love it. Some on the nose also. Okay, now setting everything in with the final spray. And wow, also the spray is also so good. It's making my base makeup look so dewy and it's also very long lasting. Like अगर आपने ये makeup fixer से एक बार spray कर दिया, it's going to stay for the entire day. It's by Blue Heaven. Again, I'll link it in the description. Yeah, we are done. Wow, I really love how it's looking. It's turned out so beautiful. I think you can carry this look in any occasion, in your friend's wedding, in your college, in your freshers. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm new here. See you in my next video. Bye bye.